In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply conditional formatting in Looker Studio. Conditional formatting is a powerful way to highlight trends and key insights in your reports, making data easier to interpret at a glance. Let's dive in step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to Looker Studio. Once you're inside, navigate to the report where you want to apply conditional formatting. You can use this feature on a scorecard, table, or pivot table. Click on the element you want to format to bring up the Properties panel on the right-hand side. Next, click on the Style tab. Scroll down until you find the Conditional Formatting section. Here, click the plus Add Formatting button to set up a new rule. You'll first choose a color type. Select Single for a uniform color application or Color Scale to show a gradient effect that represents your data range. After this, select the field or metric you want the rule to apply to. For a single color rule, define your condition like greater than, a specific value, and add additional conditions if needed. For a color scale, choose a gradient that visually conveys your data's range. Think about which colors best communicate your insights. You can also decide whether the formatting should apply to the entire row or just a specific column. Adjust text and background colors to make your data stand out. Once everything looks good, click Save to apply the conditional formatting. Now, check your report and you'll see the colors reflect the rules you set. This simple visual tweak can make trends and patterns immediately obvious, helping you and your audience quickly understand the data. And that's it. You've successfully added conditional formatting in Looker Studio. Thanks for watching and happy data formatting.